Welcome to Learn English Smoothly. What would you like to do? Hi, it's Saturday today.
Yes. No work, no school.
Great. What would you like to do?
I would like to watch a movie. What about you?
I would like to go to the park.
That sounds fun. We can go to the park in the morning.
Yes, and then watch a movie in the afternoon.
Perfect. Do you want to eat pizza after the movie?
Yes. I would like to eat pizza.
Should we invite some friends too?
That's a good idea. Who should we invite?
Maybe Emma and Tom. They like movies and pizza too.
Great. I will call them now.
What time should we meet at the park?
How about 10 a.m.?
Yes, that's perfect. It will be sunny and nice.
And after the movie, we can go to the pizza place near the park.
Sounds good. I like that pizza place. They have cheese pizza and pepperoni.
I like cheese pizza. Maybe we can also share a salad.
So the plan is first the park, then a movie, then pizza, and maybe some salad.
Yes, and don't forget to bring water and some snacks for the park.
Good idea. This is going to be a fun Saturday.
I'm excited. I can't wait to see everyone.
Me too. Let's have a great day together.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Hi, I have a question for you.
Sure. What is it?
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I have. I went to France last year.
Wow, that's amazing. How was it?
It was beautiful. I visited Paris and saw the Eiffel Tower. I also tried French food.
It sounds fun. I have never traveled abroad.
Really? Where would you like to go?
I would like to go to Japan. I want to see Tokyo and the cherry blossoms.
Nice choice. I want to go to Japan, too. I also want to visit Kyoto.
What countries have you visited?
I have visited France, Italy, and Spain. I saw the Colosseum in Rome and walked in the streets of Barcelona.
That's great. I hope I can travel abroad soon.
You should. Traveling is a great experience.
Yes, I want to learn about new cultures and try different foods.
Me too. I also like taking photos when I travel.
That's nice. I want to take many photos too.
Did you know traveling can also help you learn English?
Really? How?
You can speak with people from different countries and practice your English.
That's true. I want to try it one day.
So, when do you want to travel abroad?
Maybe next summer. I want to save money and plan a good trip.
That's smart. Planning is important.
Shopping. Hi. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I want to buy a shirt.
Sure. What color do you like?
I like blue.
Okay. What size do you wear?
I wear medium.
Here is a blue shirt in medium. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. It fits perfectly. How much is it?
It's $25.
Okay, I will buy it.
Great. Do you want a bag?
Yes, thank you.